Hey, ladies and gents, let us be honest. If you've ever walked barefoot in your kitchen and stepped on a crumb, or watched dog hair form little fur tornadoes in your hallway, you know the daily struggle. But what if I told you that in less time than it takes to grab your morning coffee, you could set a robot to vacuum, mop, self-empty, and even refill itself? Stick with me, because today we're diving deep into the Shark robot vacuum and mop combo, PowerDetect NeverTouch, self-emptying and self-refilling, RV2820YE. And by the way, you will find the full written article linked in the description and pinned in the first comment, so don't to miss it. Here's the deal. We all want cleaner floors without spending half our weekend chained to a vacuum or mop. Traditional vacuums? Heavy, noisy, and you still need to follow up with a mop. Cheaper robot vacuums? They often miss spots, get stuck, or die halfway through the job. And if you have pets, oh my friends, you know furballs reproduce faster than rabbits. That's where Shark decided to level up the game. This isn't just another robot vacuum. The Shark RV2820YE is a vacuum and mop combo powered by 5 intelligent PowerDetect cleaning technologies. What does that mean for you? It senses dirt levels, adapts suction power, and cleans smarter instead of harder. It has got the NeverTouch self-emptying base, so you don't have to deal with dust bins, and a self-refilling water tank that lasts up to 30 days. That's right, a whole month without refilling. Plus, the debris capacity? 60 days. Imagine 2 months of not touching a dust bag. That's not just smart, that's sanity saving. Now let me share what happened when we actually put this baby to work in a 2,400 square foot home, half hardwood, half carpet, plus a German Shepherd. Before Shark, we were vacuuming every 5 to 7 days, but by day 3, the hallway turned into hairball central. Since running this robot almost daily, no more fur armies. Walking barefoot in the kitchen, no more stepping on mystery crumbs. And when the dog tracked in muddy paw prints, the mop handled it like a champ. Prep takes maybe 5 minutes, just lifting chairs, moving a few things, and then the Shark does its thing while we enjoy life. It's not perfect, but the house feels consistently cleaner. Here's where the PowerDetect system shines. It automatically boosts suction on carpets, so even if it gets about 40–50% of fur compared to a deep manual vacuum, it does it daily, and that consistency wins. It follows a back-and-forth smart pattern instead of random pinball cleaning, which means fewer missed spots. The dock takes care of emptying the dustbin, so your hands stay clean. And the app? You can map rooms, schedule cleans, check battery levels, and even get voice alerts when something's up. The pros? Cleaner floors every day, less workload, no more fur balls haunting your furniture, and it's surprisingly quiet. Quiet enough that if we had a second floor, we'd let it run overnight. Honestly, it only got stuck once, between a table leg and a floor vent. But hey, if I had to navigate chair legs all day, I'd probably get stuck too. Now, let's keep it real. It still struggles with edges and tight corners like all robot vacuums. Carpets? It's good, but not miracle level. Remember, it's about frequency, not brute force. And the app mapping? Let us just say drawing room lines with fat fingers feels more like finger painting than precision engineering. A stylus helps, trust me. Plus, if you want to vacuum and mop individual rooms, that's not an option. You have to do the whole house. Hopefully, Shark updates that. Compared to older models, like the Eufy I had in 2019, this Shark feels like a huge upgrade. It avoids getting stuck better, the zigzag cleaning pattern is more efficient, and the auto-empty feature is a game changer. We even tested it against multiple rugs, from bath mats to heavy carpets, and it handled most like a pro. Only one thick mat gave it trouble. So if you're tired of vacuuming marathons, fighting pet hair, or playing Spot the Crumb on your kitchen floor, the Shark RV2820YE could be the everyday cleaning partner you didn't know you needed. Is it perfect? No. Does it dramatically reduce your workload and keep your floors cleaner every single day? Absolutely yes. And for me, that's worth 5 stars. And my wife would give it 5+. If you want to read the full breakdown, specs, and my tips for getting the most out of it, remember, the article is in the description and the first comment. Now tell me, what's the weirdest thing your vacuum has ever sucked up? Drop it in the comments. I bet some of you have stories that beat muddy paw prints. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your coffee strong.